I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the device and initiating the offline area. First, sign into your Google account and enable location so Maps can estimate your area. Once done, ensure the app is updated and connect to Wi-Fi to avoid mobile data charges. Make sure you have enough storage. Download sizes vary by area, free up space if needed. Then tap your profile, choose Offline Maps, and select Download. This starts the actual capture of map tiles for offline use. Now focus on selecting and fine-tuning the exact coverage. Search for a city, address, or drag the map to frame the region you need. Pinch to zoom out for wider coverage or zoom in for more detail. Remember, more zoomed detail increases file size, so balance coverage and storage. Tap Download, give the map a clear name, and optionally enable auto-update over Wi-Fi so it refreshes automatically. Wait for the progress to finish before closing the app to ensure completeness. To complete the workflow, open Offline Maps to confirm your download and then test basic navigation and local search. Some features like live traffic won't work offline. Keep Maps current by enabling auto-update over Wi-Fi or manually updating before travel. If you need space, delete old maps from the same menu. Troubleshooting tip: if a map fails or disappears, make sure you're signed into the same Google account, have enough free storage, and the app is updated. Then re-download the offline area.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.